Hi, everybody. My name is Kayla Adams, and this is my introduction for our class. Just a little information about me. I'm originally from Salt Lake City, Utah, and I just relocated to the Wilmington, Philly area about 3 weeks ago. So very new to the area and still figuring out everything, but excited to be in my second semester at Widener. And my experience thus far with research, I haven't taken a lot of research classes. I had to take one for my undergrad in anthropology. But the most research I did some research with one of my professors who studies the Kong Bushmen in Africa, West Africa, and helped her not put together the data that she had, but to interpret it. So seeing what trends and what the trends mean for the people that she was studying. So that's really what experience I have with it. What would make this fun for me is if there are activities that are related to what I want to do. So if I can do some research around the topic that I'm interested in or my major, I would definitely make it fun for me because I am in the human sexuality portion of the dual degree. Doing research around that would be helpful. And what I'm most excited about with this class is learning the research method so that I can put together my own research on topics that are very important to me when it comes to sexuality and the effects that our view of sexuality has had. So that research will be really helpful. But just a little bit about me, and I can't wait to hear about all of you. So thanks.